Okay guys, so I'm in the kitchen today and I'm going to show you how to make the fish pie that I didn't quite get around to doing last week. So let's go. So while I'm preparing everything else, I've got 4 large potatoes cut into small pieces that are boiling. And once these are finished, these are to be mashed. Here I've got all my ingredients. I've got a large onion chopped, 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of white pepper, 2 cans of wild caught pink salmon, and I have been told that the wild caught is better for us because of the way it's caught. I don't know a whole lot more detail, but a naturopath once told me that. I have a good 1/4 cup of parsley, the juice of 1 lemon, zest of 1 lemon, and about 4 tablespoons of butter, and I have 2.5 cups of milk. I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to make the white sauce for this fish pie, and in fact white sauce or cheese sauce for any recipe. And it's something that I just tried a few weeks ago, and I kind of, me being me, I thought, I wonder if this would work, and it certainly did, and it makes it so much easier. So let's get started and do that first. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix up all the ingredients for the sauce, and I'm going to put in the milk into the blender. And all the ingredients list will be in the description. I'm going to put in the flour, butter, salt, and the pepper. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up in the blender. And then that mixture is going to go straight into the saucepan. And we're just going to whisk that. No need to completely whisk it the whole time, but just give it a bit of a stir. And that is our white sauce. I've been making white sauce and cheese sauce like this for the last few weeks, and it has been brilliant. Whereas normally you'd melt the butter, you'd put the flour in, and then you put the milk in and try and get the lumps out. This just works perfectly. So our sauce has thickened up really nicely. You can see that. Beautiful, perfect, no lumps, quick and easy. You can tell I'm not a cooking channel, can't you? Because I forgot to tell you about 2 of the ingredients. So I've also got a good 1/2 cup of grated cheese, and I use Parmesan because Parmesan is the only cheese I buy so that I don't eat too much cheese. And I've got 4 cups of frozen vegetables, but you can use fresh ones, just whatever you've got. Now I'm just going to fry off the onions. And if you like to add garlic, which I add it sometimes, sometimes I don't, you can put that in now as well. And sometimes I add capers as well, but I don't have them today. And if you do have them and you want to add them, you can fry them off with the onions. Just going to cook those onions until they are translucent and all separated. Smelling so good. Now we're going to add the onions to the sauce. Okay, now into that we're going to add the parsley. And we're going to mix that through. We're now going to add the 2 tins of salmon with its juice. I'm going to give that a good mix through. And I've just cooked the vegetables in the microwave for about 5 minutes and drained them just to get a bit of liquid out of them. I'm going to pop those in and stir those in well. And lastly, I'm going to add my lemon juice and my lemon zest. Lemon's always good with fish. Okay, so that's our mixture done. Our potatoes are over here. I'm going to mash those. Okay, so we're ready to put it all together. We're going to put the fish mixture into the dish. And then we're going to put the potato on top. Sprinkle with grated cheese. Spread that out evenly. And it's going to go into the oven at 175 Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes. And Craig is very pleased I had to make the fish pie for this video because he loves fish pie. Okay, it's ready. It has spilled all over the place, but that's okay. Wasn't really my intention for all that spillage, but I did fill the container up a little bit too much. So there is the fish pie. Easy peasy. Let me know if you try it. Thanks for watching.